Australia Student Visa, Avoiding Rejection, will show you exactly how to avoid the top rejection traps. Student visa refusals in Australia are increasing. The new genuine student requirement is one major reason for this shift. The genuine student, or GS, requirement demands proof of real academic intentions. Generic applications often lead to rejection. Show strong ties to your studies with clear goals, real achievements, and authentic supporting documents. Many applications get rejected due to incomplete or inconsistent financial proof. Always provide clear, up-to-date bank statements. Official letters of support and properly documented finances are crucial. Triple-check all supporting files for accuracy. A well-written statement of purpose explains your study choice, future plans, and connection to your background. Ask a mentor or teacher to review your SOP. Honest feedback helps present a sincere and convincing application. Private colleges are under higher scrutiny after recent education concerns. Public universities face fewer doubts regarding student intentions. Consider applying to reputable or public institutions to build a stronger, more credible student profile. Make your student profile complete and organized. Each document should verify your genuine intentions and personal story. Prepare for genuine student interviews by practicing clear, honest answers about your plans and reasons for choosing Australia. Always follow the latest official guidelines. Use government and university websites for trusted information on policy changes. Connect with fellow applicants and alumni. Shared experiences can help you avoid common mistakes and improve your application. Follow these tips for a strong application. Prepare early to achieve your Australian study goals for the 2025-26 intakes.